1/4% of a number is 25. What is the number? So to solve this, gawan lang natin ng equation. I-translate natin word by word. So we have 1/4 and then we have percent of means multiplication. A number hindi natin alam. So let's say n is means equal sign and then 25. What is the number? Solve the value of n. So percent means divided by 100. So we have 1/4 divided by 100 times n is equal to 25. So when dividing fraction, we can change the operation to multiplication and then get the reciprocal of 100. So that is 1/100 times n equals 25. So multiply this, 1 times 1, we have 1, and then 4 times 100 is 400, times n is equal to 25. So to solve for n, multiply both sides of the equation by 400 so that we can cancel 400 and 1/400. So we have n is equal to 25 times 4, that is equal to 100. Just copy the two zeros. So therefore, the answer is 10,000, letter C. Follow for more.